welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I'm in Magical Math. My name is Chestha Keshri. I am 10 years old. This video is part 19. Today it's part 2 of divisibility checked by single digit, where we will learn how to check divisibility of 5 or 6 or 7. Example, this or this or this or this or this. And as usual, we're going to do in mine and in seconds. Well friends, today's trick is nothing but my old videos to refer because we are going to use those learning in today's session. I mean, please refer part 13 video for digital root detailed understanding and please refer part 18 video for divisibility checked by 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9 in detailed understanding. Okay, divisibility checked by 5 means we are going to learn if a given number is divisible by 5 or not. Okay, we can write 5 like this, right? Yes, we can. How many digit 5 you see in 5 times 1? 1. That's correct. And meaning if last one digit is divisible by 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. For example, so you have to see last digit from right, so which is 0, and 0 is divisible by 5, means this number is divisible by 5. Okay, here last digit is 5, which is divisible 5, means this number is also divisible 5, etc. Okay, divisibility checked by 6 means we are going to learn if a given number is divisible by 6 or not. If number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number will be divisible by 6. For example, let's take this example and let's check if this number is divisible by 6 or not. First, we need to find if this number is divisible by 2 or not. So, we have to always see last digit from this number, so from right, which is 0. 0 is divisible by 2, right? Yes, it is. So, means this number is divisible by 2. Next, we need to find if this number is divisible by 3 or not. So, as you already know, we have to find digital root of this number. So, 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, which equals 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. Means as this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, means it is divisible by 6. Divisibility checked by 7 means we are going to learn if a given number is divisible by 7 or not. It's a 3-step process. First, take out last digit from the number. Second, multiply, take a last digit with 2. Third, subtract number obtained in step 2 from rest number of digits. Repeat step 1, 2 and 3 until you get a smaller number. So, if number obtained in step 3 is divisible by 7, then original number will be divisible by 7. So, for example, let's check if this number is divisible by 7 or not. So first, we need to take out last digit from the number. So first 1. Second, multiply, take a last digit with 2. So second, 1 times 2, which is 2. Third, subtract the number with the rest number, so 457. The third is 457 minus 2, which is equal 455. Still, it's a big number, so we have to continue that steps. So, first again, the last digit, so we'll take 5. Then, second, 5 times 2, which is equal 10. Then next we need to minus from the rest number. So 45, third, 45 minus 10, which is equal 35. And this is smaller number. And 35 is divisible by 7, right? Yes, it is. Means this number is divisible by 7. Okay, let's take another example. Let's check if this number is divisible by 7 or not. So first, we'll take the last digit. So 3, and then we'll do 3 times 2, which is equal 6. Then we need to minus with the rest number. So 67 minus 6, which is equal 61. And 61 is not divisible by 7, right? Yes, it is not. Means this number is not divisible by 7. Thank you for watching my video. I would like to request, please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and press bell icon so you can get notification automatically. Please solve below question using today's channel. And please keep in mind, my new videos comes on every Sunday. Till take care, bye bye, see you next video. Stay home, stay safe, namaste.